to dig maybe your compound or anything. This is what you can do. I'm going to level here. Leveling here. Just let omupira guno wewe. Utagura byo musiri. You can ride it alone. My sons used to ride it themselves. So let's put it here. Now, bring the polythene bags. We are not going to put the mushrooms in contact with the tyre. No. Let us do. Way of recycling. And this one should look smart. Still, we did it under the. Someone told me that if you didn't have this, you can use a mattress. And a mattress is always cold and holds a lot of water. But I do not have that mattress to waste. So this is how I've done it. Put some cuts here to ensure that the mycelium can go through if someone's having to look too much. So let's wait and cover. Let's wait and see what happens. Much love to you.